A freak, y'all, and you don't stop. To the beat, y'all, and you don't stop. A freak, y'all, and you don't stop. To the beat, y'all, and you don't.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. We're getting straight into the video. I'm doing a side part and I'm going to slick down my hair and put it into a bun. If you have not already watched my slick bun tutorial, I will link it in the description below. I'm doing the same exact thing that I did in that video except with a side part, except this video is a little bit different because I'm working on very old hair, as you can see. So yeah, I'm just gonna walk you through how I slick down my hair when it's extremely old and matted and tangled like this. I didn't show it, but what I do is I take my brush and I run it under some warm water, and then I brush that into my hair before applying any product, and then I go ahead and take my gel and apply it on top and brush it in once more before putting it into a ponytail. I'm going to be doing the same thing for every section, so I don't really think it's necessary for me to talk. You guys can just watch what I'm doing.
To the beat, y'all, and you don't stop. A freak, y'all, and you don't stop. To the beat, y'all, and you don't. A freak.
Oh, could it be that it was all just so simple then? A teenage love, but you say he's just a friend. He moved around and we kept in touch through his friend Mike. The world was young and we knew we couldn't rush, but whenever I got lonely or needed some advice, he gave me his shoulder. His words were very nice, but that is all behind me, 'cause now there is no other. My love is his and his is mine. My friend became the love of my life. You are my friend, love of my life.
So now that I'm done with my bun, I'm gonna go ahead and move on to the braid. I'm taking some braiding hair. You can use any brand you want. I'm using Expressions, and I'm just going to fasten my ponytail holder around the bend like so. And you want to make sure that your braiding hair is not blunt. You want to make sure the ends are tapered, and then you're going to go ahead and start your braid. You want to braid as loosely as possible and then tie your rubber band around the end. Since I didn't do such a good job braiding extremely loosely, I'm going to go back and loosen up the braids a little bit more for a fuller effect. And I just do this by pulling on each of, the ends of the braid. And I'm going to make sure that I place the start of the braid right underneath my bun, and then go ahead and wrap it around my head and secure the end by wrapping it around my bun. And I'm also going to take a bobby pin and secure it underneath as well. If you have any pieces sticking out, you can just go ahead and tuck them underneath the braid, no big deal. And then again, I'm showing you how I loosen up the braid a little bit. Now for the curls, you're gonna wanna carefully, I didn't do it so carefully, but tug at the braid and just loosen up some pieces of hair where you would like the curls to be. I accidentally pulled a little bit too much hair, but that's perfectly fine. Next, I'm going to apply my flexi rods to the ends that I just pulled out. And then you're gonna see me take a pot of boiling water and dip them into the pot. You wanna make sure to be extremely careful because the water must be boiling in order for the curls to set in place. I did it with just like regular hot water. I let the boiling water cool down a little bit and it did not set my hair at all. So you wanna make sure that you have a towel and that you are extremely careful dipping your hair into boiling water. If you want to, you can even take the braid off your head and dip it separately so that way you don't burn your head. But I was in a rush, so I just, made it do what it do. After you're finished dipping your flexi rods into the boiling water, there is no need to wait around for them to dry. They are automatically set, so you can just take them down. If you are like me, you probably dipped a little bit of the braid into the hot water. That is okay. Like I said, there's always room for tucking and pinning and making sure your braid is exactly the way you want it. What I'm doing now is splitting the curls in half to get a little bit more curls and just pinning them to where I would like them to be placed. And that is the end of this tutorial, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you decided to give this look a try, please tag me on IG. I'd love to see it. And thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.